Hi there everybody. So on today's video I have this Mercedes A-Class. This is A180 petrol 2014, and we're just gonna have a look at the location of the fuses. Now the manual here says there are two fuse boxes, and one of them is in the engine compartment and the other one it's in the front passenger footwell. So this car is this is a right-hand drive, so the passenger footwell will be obviously on the left, and although this picture shows you the right-hand side, on this car will be on the left-hand side. And also we're gonna have a quick look at that in a minute. You will find this list in one of the fuse boxes, actually the one in the car. The center part here is the one that dedicates to, I mean, it's in English. I've taken a picture of all of this, so hopefully you'll be able to see or look what you're looking for. But don't forget that different models have different allocations as well. So this is for this particular car. Now you can have a look inside of the car. Oh, actually you can also see here an allocation chart of the fuses. So just showing you the fuse numbers and also the amperes, 30 amp, 30 amp, and so on. So these are the ones in the footwell inside of the car, and these are the ones in the engine compartment. Okay, let's go to the car now. So I've got the car here. If we just get down here by the footwell, you will see this bit of carpet will be all the way in there. So I've already pulled it out. You just need to fold it back like so, and that's where the fuse box will be. And we can just open this fuse box by pressing this little tab here and lifting this cover up. You can actually remove the cover if you want, and that's where the fuses are. There's also some relays here, and so if you look at your fuse box chart here, it basically shows you this, the way this diagram is drawn this way, it matches the fuse box. So these fuses here, these are 40 amp fuses. They will be these ones here, and like I said, not every fuse will be there. You can see all of these are empty, but that just relates to what your car may have. So if you have electric seats, if you have heated seats, then you will need fuses for those things. But if you don't have those things, then fuses won't be there. But sometimes some fuses are shared with other systems. So even if you haven't got heated seats, there might be a fuse in the heated seat area, but that fuse is shared with another function of the car. So it might be that it's there, but it's not related to the heated seats, but something else. So these are the fuses here. This little chart you will find it's hiding. Just gonna put this back in here. But basically this chart is just hiding in here, in this little compartment of this cover, and that's where it came out from. So I just have to get it back in there, but before that we're gonna go and have a look at the fuses in the engine compartment. Okay, so once you get your bonnet open and get it up, and you look to your right hand side here, you will find this box, and if you open these clips here like so, I've already opened that one, then you can lift this cover up get this cover up and out of the way, and that's where the fuses are, and also some relays. So again, you may notice that not every fuse it's in place, but again, it relates to what functions you may have or you may not have. Also, not every relay is in place either, so these relays are not in use, so that isn't an issue. There are also just a few fuses here on this side. These are higher ampere volt fuses, 80 amps. This is a 41, but this is 100 amp. The one down here, it's a 200 amp fuse. So normally those are okay, we don't have to deal with those, but that's basically it. So that's where you can find your fuses. So for now, hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.